Some Plymouth neighborhoods got into the fun of Halloween a little bit early this year. Several superheroes donned costumes early to go to local fire stations.
Mr. Incredible. Well, because my favorite colors are yellow, black, and gray.
That is not a bad reason to be Batman now, is it? Families flocked to 3 Plymouth fire stations in costume for a truck or treat open house. They could not only see the fire trucks in the inside of the station, but they could also play games like pin the battery on the smoke detector. A few trick-or-treaters even came dressed up as firefighters.
We've been pretty much jam-packed since the beginning, so a lot of people from around the neighborhood and elsewhere have been stopping by. I think it's been pretty good.
People could also bring a non-perishable food item for Interfaith Outreach or PRISM. Now, if you snapped a photo on your smartphone of your trick-or-treater all dressed up, please share it with us. Just tag CCX Media on Facebook or Twitter, and we will air your costumed kiddo on the news on Thursday, and we are looking forward to it.